guys, so today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. I did my eyes off camera, so I'm just going to do my makeup. I won't be doing a talk through with this because what's the word I'm looking for? I'm not no makeup artist, so I don't even know some of the names of the brushes. I just be doing my own thing. So yeah, I wanted to like kind of get into the makeup videos. I'm gonna be starting to get into those soon, so this is just a test trial for me. I'm just playing around with this. So like I said, I'm not gonna be doing a talk through. I'm just about to do it on camera. I'll probably play some music over this, but and then we're gonna figure out how I'm gonna do my hair because I really don't know. I know I'm looking crazy. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you watch all the way into the end. Let me know if you would like me to do some more makeup videos so I can get a little bit more educated on the makeup side, and I can, you know, dibble and dabble in that. But let me know down in the comments, and let's get started.
Bye.